Storm, earth, and fire, heed my call.
In battle I will fall. Hear me, brothers, gather up the wolves. To battle we will ride. War drums echo the beating heart, pounding foam inside. Storm, black clouds fill the sky. Earth, hear my battle cry. Fire, and thunder will bring forth death from the power of the to the Warsaw clan, to no man will I kneel. Feel the power and the energy, born of black blood, honor and steel. I feel the fire burning in my veins, the lightning strikes at my command. A storm in earth, axe and fire, we come to claim this land. Storm, black clouds fill the sky. Earth, hear my battle cry. Fire, thunder will bring forth death from the power of the
break their bones. Slay them all.
Fire at will. To battle.
10 races, 9 classes, one way to win. Heroes collide in the fast-paced adrenaline. Choose your weapon, armor, and your allies wisely, cause every corner has the danger lurking behind it. Mount the horse, travel to a far-off land. Creatures, temples, and dungeons await the click of the hand. Combat in the battlegrounds, PvP. Leave your enemies destroyed and it's not for the weak. Vast treasure and surprises, blind the eyes when the raid boss drops that important item. AQZG and molten core, BWL and Max, and it's on for sure. And expanding on that, you reach a 70 cap. New flyer mounts, loots, and jewels and all that. Will the Draenei amass an incredible fleet, or will the blood elves make them all kneel to defeat? It's a storyline substance that gets you hooked in. Adventures in Azeroth never get boring. Jump in the fray and command the rest of the realm at the helm and control your destiny. Answer the call of the factions horde. Crusade with the alliance to stomp with the horde. Go to the front line and create the clash. Take the dark portal into this world of Warcraft.
Unleash your fury.
Hail to the night.